If you want to create a menu in Elementor, the key thing to know is that Elementor doesn't usually build the menu structure from scratch by itself. First, you create the menu inside WordPress and then you display it on your page or header using the WordPress Menu widget in Elementor. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a clean, working navigation menu on your site. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy WordPress and Elementor guides. Let's jump in. The first step is to create your menu in WordPress. To do that, log into your WordPress dashboard and look at the left-hand side menu. From there, go to Appearance and then click Menus. This is where WordPress lets you build the structure of your navigation. If this is your first menu, you'll need to give it a name. A simple name like Main Menu works perfectly. After typing in the name, click Create Menu. Now you'll see a list of pages on the left side of the screen. These are the pages you can add to your menu. Check the boxes next to the pages you want to include, such as Home, About, Services, Blog, or Contact. Once you've selected the pages you need, click Add to Menu. WordPress will place those pages into your menu structure on the right. At this point, you can organize the order of your menu items however you want. Just click and drag the items up or down to reorder them. If you want one item to open as a drop-down under another item, you can create a submenu by dragging that item slightly to the right under a parent menu item. This is a very useful way to keep your menu clean if you have a lot of pages or service categories. When everything looks good, click Save Menu. Now that the menu exists in WordPress, the next step is to add it to your Elementor page or your header template. Open the page you want to edit, or if you are building a site header, open your header template in the Elementor editor. Once the editor loads, go to the widget search bar on the left panel and type WordPress Menu. You should see the WordPress Menu widget appear in the results. Next, drag and drop the WordPress Menu widget into the container or section where you want the navigation to appear. After placing it on the page, go to the Content tab in the Elementor panel. Under the menu settings, choose the menu you created earlier, which in this example is Main Menu. As soon as you select it, Elementor should load your navigation structure automatically. If you don't see the menu right away, double check that you saved it correctly in WordPress and that you selected the correct menu from the dropdown. This is one of the most common mistakes, so it's always worth confirming before moving on. Once the menu is showing, the next step is to style it so it matches your website design. Click the Style tab in the Elementor panel. Here you can control the appearance of your links, spacing, typography, and colors. Start with typography. You can change the font family, font size, font weight, and even letter spacing depending on the look you want. A bold, clean font often works well for menus because it improves readability. Then move to the color options. You'll usually want to set a normal color, a hover color, and an active color. The normal color is what people see by default. The hover color appears when someone moves their mouse over a menu item. The active color highlights the current page, so visitors can tell where they are on your site. Choosing strong contrast here makes your menu easier to use and more professional looking. You can also adjust spacing and alignment if needed. If your menu feels too crowded, increase the item spacing. If it looks off-center, change the alignment so it sits properly inside your header or container. Small styling changes like this can make a big difference in the final design. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner and click Publish. If you're editing an existing page, you may see Update instead. That will save your changes and make the menu live on your site. And that's it. You've now created a menu in WordPress, added it to Elementor, styled it, and published it successfully. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.